Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A vacuum cleaner, also known simply as a vacuum or a Hoover, is a device that causes suction in order to remove dirt from floors, upholstery, draperies, and other surfaces. The dirt is collected by either a dust bag or a cyclone for later disposal. Vacuum cleaners, which are used in homes as well as in industry, exist in a variety of sizes and models. Small battery-powered handheld devices, wheeled canister models for home use, domestic central vacuum cleaners, huge stationary industrial appliances that can handle several hundred liters of dirt before being emptied, and self-propelled vacuum trucks for recovery of large spills or removal of contaminated soil.
Number 4. Hoover ONEPWR Cordless Hand Vacuum Cleaner.
The Hoover ONEPWR Cordless Hand Vacuum is perfect for quick, easy pickups around the house and on the go. A built-in crevice tool and easy empty XL dirt cup is the ideal combo for tackling any unexpected mess. Plus, the lightweight, compact design makes it perfect for grab-and-go cleaning anytime, anywhere. Be ready for what life throws your way. Perfect for quick pickups, delivers cord-free convenience powered by the removable and rechargeable ONEPWR battery, easy to use and to store, tackles dirt in hard-to-reach areas. Cordless Hand Vacuum. ONEPWR 2. 0Ah battery, charger, onboard crevice tool, rinseable filter.
Number 3. Furbuster Handheld Vacuum for Pets.
Cleans hair, dirt and debris from high traffic areas. Voltage 20 volts. Cleans unwanted messes from on top of, around and under furniture. Vacuums hair and debris from carpeted stairs. Anti-tangle rubber bristles motorized to lift stubborn pet hair. Clean hard-to-reach areas with less effort. Washable filter and pre-filter for easy cleaning and maintenance. One-touch easy empty without touching the dirt. 2 speeds. Power boost mode for more power at touch of a button. Pick up more, empty less. Charger, jack plug, battery indicator.
Number 2. VacLife Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless.
This hand vacuum, BL188N, cleaner is cord-free and hassle-free, which can free your movement for cleaning your stairs, kitchen, car or hard-to-reach corners. The handheld vacuum cleaner is also lightweight and portable for home and car cleaning. VacLife Hand Vacuum Cleaner features enhanced HEPA filters with premium filter wrap, which is designed to further extend the lifetime and effectively avoid clog of filters while ensuring suction in perfect condition. Adopted the latest fast charge technology and the latest generation of rechargeable batteries. This portable vacuum cleaner comes with a crevice nozzle tool, brush tool to meet different cleaning needs. A built-in LED light is easy to clean dark corners.
Number 1. Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum with Floor Head.
$20 volts max lithium hand vac with pet brush. Voltage 120 volts. Charging time 4 hours. Clean floor to ceiling, easy to clean. 17 ounces. Capacity dirt bowl. Suction power. 24Ah charging station and base keeps the unit charged and accessories organized. Clean stubborn pet hair from carpets, stairs, and other upholstery.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.